Welcome back to Stack Insights Web Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to use widgets in WordPress by giving you detailed step-by-step instructions in plain and simple terms everyone can hopefully understand. Let's get started with logging in to your WordPress administration panel. This is the back end to your whole site where you will make all of the changes to the content of your site. In this case, we'll be showing you how to use widgets in WordPress. What are widgets? Widgets add content or special features to your sidebars, or widget areas. Widgets are extremely versatile, and their uses are virtually limitless. Now, hover your cursor over the Appearances tab in the sidebar to the far left of the page. The Appearance tab is where you will make changes to your themes, menus, widgets, as well as many other options. For the purposes of this tutorial, you will click the Widgets submenu. This takes you to a new page where you can add, remove, or edit your widgets. When WordPress is installed, it already has a variety of widgets included right out of the box. However, if you are in need of a widget that is not automatically installed with WordPress, you can find a plugin that will add the widget you need and upload the plugin to your site. If you need to know how to do this, you can visit a blog we wrote explaining how to upload plugins in WordPress at stackinsights.com. Now that you are in the Widgets control panel, you can add, remove, or edit any of the widgets you see. First, let's go over how to add a widget to your site. If you look to the left half of your screen, you will see a section called Available Widgets. This section contains all of the possible widgets you could use on your site. On the right half of your screen, you can see what are called widget areas. Once widgets from the Available Widgets section are added to a widget area, they will become visible on your site. How do you add the available widgets to the widget area? This whole widget page operates on a drag and drop system. What this means is you can click on the widget you desire to have on your site, drag the widget to wherever widget area you desire for it to show up, and release your click. If you wish to change the order of the widgets, you simply drag and drop the widget you want to move into whatever order you want it to show up in. And that's all there is to it. You have your widget in the widget area. Now what? Let's go over editing your widgets. Since there are such a wide variety of possible widgets, editing each individual widget is a little different. We will just go over the basics in this tutorial. You will navigate to the widget area you put your widget in, and click the little down arrow to the far right of the widget area title. This will reveal a drop-down with all of the widgets you have put in this widget area. Then, simply click on the little down arrow to the far right of the widget you want to edit. From here you will see different options depending on what your widget is and what functionality it is trying to accomplish. Fill out the different options to your preference. Finally, let's briefly discuss how to remove a widget. It is basically the same process as adding a widget, but in reverse. The only difference is, if you want to save your widget for later use, if you have done any sort of editing to it at all, you can drag your widget from the widget area to the inactive widget section. This essentially saves it for later, exactly the way you left it. If you are not interested in saving it for later, you can simply drag and drop it anywhere. Thank you for your time. I hope this has helped you figure out the process of using widgets in your WordPress site. If you found this helpful, you can find more helpful tips and tricks on our blog at stackinsights.com. If you are interested in hiring us to help you out with a site you're working on, or if you are looking for someone to build a beautiful website for you or your company, we would be honored to serve you. Contact us at stackinsights.com.